Yeah, people, if anybody's looking for the grease guns, they got them all on clearance right now at Lowe's. They got this one right here down to 517 from 1748. There's this one. And then they got this one, 397 down from 1598. There's this one. And then they got this one right here, 1237 down from 32. There's the item number. And they even got these over here, are also on sale. Got this one for 407 right here. And this one for 767 down from 13. Right here they got the Coast Vis Safe safety vest down to 497, was 1997. 360 degrees latest safety vest. There's the item. And then they also got these safety glasses, inspection beam safety glasses, and there's the number for those. And we got the little flashlight right here. $877 was $29.98. Here we got this Toughbuilt 9 through 15 inch extendable level. So there it is. That's how it extends out. So it goes from 9 inches to 15 inches. That's $34.98. The green cross-lane laser is $59.98. That's that one. The scraper knife is $19.98.
Lowe's carries the official licensed paint colors of all 32 NFL teams.
And the 10-inch adjustable wrench is $20.98. Got the sizes right here. And the 8-inch is $17.98. There's the hammers.
And hey, these NFL paint colors are only exclusive to Lowe's.
Yeah, they brought down the 2-amp battery, the 4-pack of 2.0s, $89.07 down from $99. Everything else is still $99. They got the 2-piece universal wrench down to $497 from $998. So if anybody's interested in these and they still have them at your Lowe's, they're probably on discount as well. Go ahead and check it out. There's the item number. And then they got this one right here, the 4-in-1 ratchet handle, $897. That one actually went down an extra $1 as well. There's the item number. It's a good deal right here on the Kobalt 92 flex head ratchet. It's a 3/8 drive, 1417 down from 32.98. There's the item number. Here's the 10-inch B-set V-jaw pliers, $18.98, and the 12-inch are $24.98. The reload knife with mags, $19.98. Comes with an extra magazine. And the 25-foot tape measure is $24.98. Hey people, right here they got that jumbo step 3 ladder, $79 down from $99. The 3-step ladder right here. 375 pounds rated. They still got the flex deal going on. 39 for that one, 49 for the middle one, and 89 for the rolling. They got the flex tower light, bare tool, 199 down from 249. Here on the compressors, they got the 6-gallon with the 3-tool combo kit, 249 down from 299. Got the Kobalt pancake compressor, 129 down from 169. And the hot dog compressor, that's 189. Okay. This one right here is 139 down from 159. This one is the Kobalt, the 6-gallon portable pancake air compressor, 99 down from 129. They got the speed bores, 998 was 1498. And they got this big Kobalt 26-gallon, the quiet air compressor. This one's 339 down from 379. Here's the Craftsman 6-amp hand planer. That one is 79, was 99. So it went down $20. This is the corded. That's this one right here. And here's a Bosch hammer drill, just a bare tool, 159 down from 199, 18 volt. They still got the Bosch fixed base, plunge base router kit, 199 down from 249. That's a beast right there. Anybody looking for a router, this is one of the best in the game right here. And they also got the fixed base router. This one's 149 down from 198. So $50 more, you get the plunge. All right, people, so right here, if you buy a Dewalt 2-pack power stack, 1.7 amp batteries, you'll get a free Dewalt 20 volt max bare tool free. And here's the numbers. And it's from January 23rd to April 23rd. So I think this is a newer deal they got going right now. Doesn't have the price for the batteries. Yeah, they still got other Metabo stuff on sale. The 18 volt 1/4 inch subcompact impact driver, 9027 down from 129. The impact driver kit, triple hammer, 119 from 169. Then they have the combo kit, 149 down from 249. That's that right there. Comes with a couple of batteries. And the 1/2 inch drill kit, 9727 down from 139. Here they got the Metabo rapid charger, 62 down from 89. The pin handler's 99 down from 149. Here's the Weehigh 11-in-1 multi-driver, 1598 down from 1998. Here's the sizes. They have a flex charger, 99 down from 179. Display, one battery and one charger. It says, I don't know where the battery's at. Oh, it goes with this. Oh, so it's the drill also is included, I believe. And here they have an angle grinder. It comes with a 5.0 battery. This one is 18 amp, open box. 169.97 down from 199. This one is a multi-tool. 170 down from 199. Hey, Bob. Yeah, they got this display model for 169.97 with a 4.0 and a charger. You guys think that's a good deal? They got the 12-in-1 dual hex key set down to 1098 from 1498. This one. Got this Kobalt 24 volt max brushless, 1/2-inch mid torque impact wrench kit, 160 down from 229. Comes with a 4.0 and a rapid charger. Check this deal out. It's the 6-tool kit, $6.99 still available online. This one is just missing the tool bag. All tools are new. The last one is $4.39. There they are right there. Even at $4.77 down from $12.98. They cannot get rid of this set right here. Is there anybody out there who would buy this right now for $4.77? You guys looking for a mirror? Here's a arch wood frame mirror, down from $89.99 to $22.42 on clearance. There's the item number. That's it right there. Here they have a 4-pack of sponge terry cloth cover staining pads. You could use it to put stain on any of your projects. It's a 4-pack for $167 down from $6.98. They still got the Craftsman tray stack, the 2 drawers, $89.98 down from $99. And the triple stack crate with the crate, $149 down from $169. The tray stack with the crate. There's the one with the other box. Hey people, so the price went even lower on this rotary tool kit. It's up $13.97 now, down from $19. And that one. And the 10-piece oscillating blade kit is down to $20.97 from $29.98. That one. Here they got the 40-volt, 14-inch Kobalt brushless chainsaw kit with a 4-amp hour, $119 down from $199. It's the item number. Right here, I don't know exactly what that means, but it says as is repair. Now $560 was $7.99. There's the item number. Generator. Got this pressure washer, $250 down from $359. And with that being said, people, if you like talking about tools, go ahead and subscribe to the channel.